Okay.
Okay, sir.
So 10:30, I have one meeting in my office. Client meeting is there. Before that, I have to complete the class. So this is also a very small topic. First, I'm doing the definition now, and after that, I will start the configuration. So now you can able to see my screen, right? So you can able to see my screen?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Okay. So petty cache, one more name is called cache channel in SAP. So it's a single screen transaction. It means you can create, change and display cache journal document on one screen. Okay, so for example, in accounts payable, actually I'm using three T codes, XK01 for creation and XK02 for change and XK03 for display. You know that. But instead of using multiple T code, within single screen only I can do all the changes here, create, change and display in the cache journal. And SAP cache journal is used to capture cash transaction of the company. So most of the transaction in the company is like only cash dealing. So this cash transaction can be cash payment, cash receipt or check receipt. Okay. So this is small definition under petty cash. So any doubt you have in this definition? You have any doubt? Hello.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay, so here I have to follow four journal entries. So based on this only I have to do the posting. The first journal entry will be cash withdraw. So here what journal entry I am following in petty cash means petty cash account debit to bank account credit. And the second one is cash purchase. So here what journal entry I am following, cash purchase account debit to petty cash account credit. And one more is cash sales. So here petty cash account debit to cash sales account credit. And the last one is cash deposit. Cash deposit means bank account debit to petty cash account credit. So based on this four journal entry only, I am doing the posting in the petty cash. Okay. So first we will do the configuration. I have to create the GL. So total 4 GL I have to create now.
హలో సార్ అయిపోతుంది ఒక నిమిషం సార్ ఆ అమ్మాయి దాంట్లో ఒకసారి మీరు బ్యాంక్ పాస్బుక్ ఓపెన్ చేయండి.
Please put on mute. The call is recording now. Tell him to put on mute now.
అదేనా మరి బ్యాంక్ పాస్బుక్ లోపల
Telling
ప్రింట్
also actually
వేరే
there
ఉంది
is no response for me actually. That is one more problem actually here. Hello, Hema.
Sir,
You are facing any issue in the server?
no, sir.
The server actually, how many months actually have access in the server?
3 months.
How many months are over right now?
It's completed 1.5 months.
Yeah, anyway, I don't know what I have to do now. So this message, we sent to institute now. So which server I have to take now? I don't know. First we will create some GL. Slash n fs 00. First I have to create one GL under bank accounts. Okay, so anyway you know how to create the bank accounts. Just I will show you. In the account group you have to select here bank accounts coming under balance sheet. Short text you have to update here SBI bank accounts and go to control data. So here you have to select line item display. Short key I am using 001 posting date, and field status group I am using here G005 bank accounts. Okay, so like this you have to create one bank accounts, and the next one I have to create one petty cash. So petty cash where I have to create under current asset I have to create. You can see here. So in the account group here you have to select here current assets. Current asset coming under balance sheet. Short text I am updating here petty cash, and go to control data. So here you have to select line item display. I am using the short key here 001, and go to create bank interest. Field status group I am using here G001 general. And here one more important point, you have to select here post automatically option. See, if I am selecting here post automatically option, this GL what I am creating now, it's picking automatically in the backend, no need to select manually. So that is the meaning for post automatically option. Okay, so this is the second GL. And the third GL I have to create under direct expenses, that is cash purchase. You can see here cash purchase. So cash purchase coming under direct expenses, it's coming under P&L, and the short text update here cash purchase, and go to control data, select your line item display short key 001, and create bank interest field status group. I have to select here G001 general, and here also I have to select post automatically option. Okay, and one more GL I have to create under revenue, and this is cash sales. Under sales account I am creating cash sales. So in the account group, select here sales account coming under P&L, short text, update here cash sales account, and go to control data, select your line item display short key 001, and go to create bank interest, field status group, I'm using now G001 general, and here also I have to select post automatically option. Okay, so total 4 GL I have to create under petty cash. And the second configuration I have to do, set up cash journal account. Okay, set up cash journal account. The T code I'm using here /NFB CJC0 is the T code. Set up cash journal account. Enter now and go to new entries. And here update your company code, for example JLJL. And the cash journal I have to update any 4 characters. So for your understanding, I'll update here JLJL. And here I have to select a petty cash account GL. Select your petty cash. Where is that? Select now petty cash and update your currency now INR. And here you can see D. D means document type. So in the GL the document type that is KCA. Update here. And here one more document type is disbursement, means this is coming under sales and disbursement model. No need to update anything here. And here you can see one more document, that is vendor. Update here KR. And here one more document, this is also vendor. Update here KZ, vendor payment. And here you can see one more document type customer. Update here DR. And here you can see one more document type, that is customer. I update here DZ. Okay, so here narration I'm giving cash journal for your company code JLJ. And here why I'm updating the document types now, this petty cash is applicable under GL, AP and AR, and it is not applicable in asset accounting or controlling. So that's why all the document types is very important in the business. Okay, then once you update the details now, you can click on save button. So while saving, I'm getting the error, means already I created this. So from your end, you are not getting any issue. Okay, I will show you. I will come back from the screen. If I go to position, if I update now JLJL, or update the company code JLJL, and here you can see this one already I created. Okay, so from your end, what you have to do, you have to go to new entries and you have to type everything manually. Then after that you have to click on save. So this is the second step. And third step, I have to create the number ranges for the cash journal. So why I am creating the number range? For posting and payment purpose I am creating the number range. So the number range T code in petty cash is FBCJC1 is the T code. Enter now and update your company code here JLJL and click on display button. See, already I created the number 01. So here you can see 1 to 100 I mentioned now, correct? Means what is the meaning? Up to 100 documents I can post in the petty cash. That is the meaning here. Okay, so from your end, what you have to do? You have to go to intervals. Anyway, you know how to create the number and all, right? Go to intervals and select here interval option and update here 01 and update here from number 1 and to number 100 and click on plus and click on save. Okay, so from your end.
Sir, you are not audible.
Sir, your voice is not audible.
Sir, your voice is not audible.
Sir, I think you are on
Sir,
mute.
you are on mute, sir.
So now you can able to hear me now?
Oh, yes, sir.
Now starting itself
Yes,
I'm
sir.
in mute. Now only it's muted now. Starting itself in the
Before,
mute. What?
from
Few
before 2
minutes
minutes,
from
few minutes back.
Because I'm not touching the screen only. Why it is mute? I don't know. Actually. Okay. Anyway, I'm sharing one more time. Under the fourth configuration, set up cash journal transaction. So set up cash journal transaction. The T code I'm using here FBCJC2, and here update your company code, and here you can see business transaction, right? So here you have to select the transaction type. First one is C. C means receipt from bank account. Okay, receipt from bank account means you are withdrawing the money from the bank. Select here C and select your bank account GL here. I'm selecting now, for example, Axis Bank, and here narration I'm giving cash withdraw from Axis, and update the same thing here, JLGL company code, and here business transaction I'm selecting here B. B means payment to bank account. Payment to bank account means cash deposit into the bank, and here also we have to select the same GL, Axis Bank. Select here Axis, and here narration cash deposit in Axis, and again update your company code now, JLJL, and here business transaction I'm selecting now E. E means expenses. Select here E, and here I have to select the GL cash purchase. Select here cash purchase, and here narration cash purchase, and update the company code again, and here business transaction I have to select now R. R means revenue. Select this, and here the GL I have to select now cash sales. So, okay, so select here cash sales, and here the narration I'm giving now cash sales, and click on save. Okay, so like this you have to link all the business transaction in the GL. Okay, then I can able to post in the front screen. Now after this you have to click on save. So while saving, I'm getting the error because already I created this. So from your end you are not getting any error. Okay, then after that, cash journal posting. How to do the posting in petty cash? The T code I'm using here /n/FBCJ is the T code for posting. Enter now, and here you can see the company code is JLJL already. In case in your server something problem is there, means other company code is there, no, then you have to click on change cash journal, then you have to change the company code, and you have to change the cash journal here. Then you can see company code and JL here, and cash journal also JL here. So from your end I'm telling. Now first what I have to do, I will go to cash receipt. I have to check my cash, how much I'm having right now. Okay, so here you have to select your business transaction, cash withdraw from Axis, this one, and here already I'm having the balance, right? Balance how much I'm having 10,000. Okay, so from your end you can select any amount. Then after that here you have to select the GL. So what GL you have to select here? Axis Bank GL you have to select now. select your Axis Bank, and here how much you are withdrawing the money from the bank account. Here actually you have to update the amount. Then the text I am giving here, cash withdraw from Axis. Then after that what you have to do, you have to select the screen and you have to click on post. So after posting, what will happen here, then you can see the balance now. Okay, so from your end I'm telling. Okay, so first you have to go to cash receipt and select your cash withdraw, then update the amount, how much you are withdrawing from the bank, and select the GL account, and the text you give here, cash withdraw from Axis. Then select this transaction and click on post. After posting, you can see the balance here. Okay, and once you see the balance here, then what you have to do, you have to go to cash payment. Then after that, as per the business, if you are purchasing something, you can select your cash purchase. Then how much you are purchasing, you have to update the amount. Now I'm having the balance only 5,000. See, for example, I'll update here 2,500, and here I have to select the GL. What GL I have to select? Cash purchase GL I have to select now. Select your cash purchase, and what I'm purchasing now. For example, stationery item I'm purchasing now. Copy the same thing and click on select button, and here you can see the balance is 5,000, right? So after posting, you can see the balance here 2,500, and here you can see total 7,500 balance. Okay, so now select this option and click on post. So what is the problem? Number in zeroable does not exceed in FBN1. No problem. Click enter. See, now you can see here the remaining balance is 2,500. So 2,500 is added here. So overall purchasing, how much you did? 7,500 in the company. So this is called petty cash, small topics. So here actually you have any doubt in this?
Sir, the 10,000 is the amount which we have in bank, or?
The 10,000 we have to keep in the bank actually. That's why I'm select here first option, this one, cash receipt.
Okay.
So once you have bank balance here, no, then you can see the balance here from your end. After seeing the balance, then after that you have to go to cash payment. Okay, then what and all if you want to purchase, you can select the option here. Then after that, how much you are purchasing, that amount I have to enter. Then here you have to select cash purchase GL, and here you have to update the text. For example, I am updating here stationery or something. What you are purchasing, you can update here. Then after that, you have to select this option. Then after that, you have to click on post. Like this only we have to do in the petty cash. But this and all like bold topics. Before 7 years, 8 years before they are using. Most of the company actually they are not using petty cash nowadays and all. But in case actually if you are getting the job in domestic level, so that time actually it's helpful for you. So that's why I'm teaching this one. You got my point, what I'm telling here, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So today like 10:30 actually I'm having one meeting now. Client meeting is there. So any doubt from your end? Or any issue, something you are facing in the practice time? Please tell
No,
me.
sir.
No issue, right? Okay,
Sir,
so
No,
yesterday I
sir. Sir,
messaged
but
you, sir.
Sir,
sir,
I
but if you use the say one
I-
server, then it will be fine, sir.
what?
If you use one server for teaching, it will be fine, sir. Because daily one server, I'm facing very difficult to catch up.
See, Sagar, actually, you have to understand one point. In front of you only, actually, I'm doing the configuration, everything, right? That server I'm facing the problem means what can I do from my end? I have to cancel the
Okay.
first day. In front
No,
of you only,
sir.
no, in front of you only I did that, correct? I'm facing the error. So what can I do from my end? Concept same only. I'm changing only the company code, correct? I'm
Yes, sir.
changing only the company
But
code.
in JL, it is already configured now, sir. That's why I told. Anyway, it's okay, sir. I will talk to Praveen.
But who is doing this and all in the back end? I also don't know because I'm getting the new server from my end today. Okay.
Okay,
So
sir.
from actually from S4 HANA, actually most of the people they are asking from my end like 2020. So currently I'm using 1909. So that what the server people they did, they deleted all the data only in the back end. So currently I'm using S4 new server 2020 and ECC also I'm changing server. So you can see my server. 1 minute actually I will close this. So from now onwards actually I'm doing the configuration this and that from my end. So you can see this is my server now. But if I'm teaching here, then it will take too much of time for me because now only I configured up to account group in the basic settings. So this is also like a little bit a live server. Okay, for you actually you are going for remote desktop this and all, right? I am not going to remote desktop now. I'm going here actually I'm logging now directly. It will connect now. So this is linking to FICO and Central Finance. So I'm teaching one more model right now. So that's why I bought the new server, ECC and S4 and Central Finance both. You got my point, what I'm telling here, right, Shagar?
Yes, sir.
Anyway, actually you do practice, okay? In case actually if you have any doubt or something, you ask me, okay?
Sir, I have error,
Yes, sir.
sir.
Sure.
Yeah, share me your screen now.
But the server is not working, sir.
Then how can I do, madam? Actually, tell me now.
Okay, sir.
Yes,
Tomorrow I will share, sir.
no problem. See, anytime actually you can ask actually. Anyway, how so many errors I solved this batch only, more than 30 to 40 errors, right?
Yes, sir.
Any, anytime actually. My support will be there always, okay?
Okay, sir. Thank
So,
you.
apart from
Sir,
that, actually, yeah, tell me.
sir, I yesterday I messaged you, sir. Right now, can I share my screen, sir?
That error actually so many students they are facing the error. That vendor only you are facing the problem, right?
Yes, sir. But the text I went to OBC4, sir. But I changed there also, sir. Again, the same. The
Yeah,
text is not visible in the vendor side, sir.
that's why yesterday I sent the message. You share your screen now because the problem here actually you are in accounts receivable, okay, but the errors coming from vendor side. So how the linking is happen, I also don't know exactly. If you are facing the problem only in accounts receivable, then I can able to understand. But you are doing something. You are doing down payment, right? Which concept you are doing now? Down payment or what?
Vendor invoice, sir.
Means vendor invoice posting.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So in the posting time, actually, you are facing the problem.
Yes, sir.
Mhm. Okay, share your screen now.
Sir, is it visible, sir?
Now I'm seeing something like some photos. I'm seeing. I'm not seeing your SAP screen.
Just a second. Sir, now?
Yeah, I can able to see.
Yes. Sir, here, sir. While
So first time you are doing the posting now.
yes, sir.
So if I'm sharing the screen now, you can able to see my screen, right?
Yes,
Or you
sir.
can, yeah.
Sir, now here, see, sir, your amount column is there, but the text column is not visible, sir.
Yeah, yeah. This one you are asking. This one actually
Yes,
leave it.
sir.
So right now you are in which one?
Vendor.
Uh, vendor, right? So here you have to select some GL, right? Purchase account GL, right?
Yes, sir.
This tab you have to select purchase account GL. So go to FS00 now.
Yes, sir. Purchase account.
Go there, double click there, and go to create bank interest. So what is that? G006, right? So go to
Yes,
OBC.
sir.
So copy that user, FICO 130. User, copy the user. FICO 130 is there. Someone is locked.
Yes, sir. Right now, it has yesterday it has been opened, sir.
No problem. What I'm telling now, copy the user.
Okay, sir.
So click on no,
Okay, sir.
go to SM12,
Sir?
SM12, SM12.
Okay, sir.
Delete the user now, Fico 61.
Okay, sir.
Copy that user, what you copied from the previous screen.
Yes, sir.
Click on list and select all the user. Click on delete button. Close this.
Okay.
Close this also. And go to this one, FS00. Sorry, not FS00. Go to OBC4. Click on position. Update your field status. Yeah, so select your field status and double click on field status group. 1 minute. You can see here where is purchase upon something. Come down a little bit.
Sir, G006 material account, sir.
Yeah, double click on that. Go to general data. Text actually it is there, right?
It is there, sir. Yesterday also I configured that, sir, but it is not showing, sir.
So okay, come back from the screen. Come back and go to G001 general. Double click
Here
on
also
general
it is
data.
there. Also it is there.
Everything is there.
Yes, sir.
Then actually I don't know seriously.
Yesterday I done 10 times, sir, but again it is showing like that itself.
Now you have to go one by one. Actually, next you have to go to G003. Don't go to again G006. G000 already we have no. Go to G003. General data. Okay, here also it is there, optional only, right?
Yes, sir.
Somewhere actually, see if you go one by one now, somewhere actually the text is suppressed now. So you have to go one by one. Then actually we'll come to know the details.
Okay, sir.
Go to general data,
Okay, sir.
double click here. You can able to hear me now.
Yes, sir.
Double click on that. I want to see,
Yes, sir. I double do, sir.
but I'm not seeing anything actually here.
It is there. Sir, general data I have taken. Here also optional entry, sir.
Okay, then you check end to end, one by one. Okay, somewhere actually in the back end, the text is suppressed mode now. Okay, check in the back end, then it is not coming, leave it. Okay, because from our end everything is matching means then we can't do anything. In live actually we will inform the above team. Then they will create one
Okay,
table
sir.
in the back end. Then after that actually we can do here. In live that is different scenario. But here
Yeah.
almost all the configure is right only, correct? So go one by one. As per me, somewhere the text field is suppressed now. Okay, so check one by one and do it actually. Okay,
Okay, sir.
okay. So apart from that, any doubt is there? I'm having call now, 10:30. You have any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay, then so tomorrow we'll start controlling. Okay. This Saturday also I'm planning to take the class. This Saturday actually we'll go for asset accounting. Okay. So tomorrow we'll
Okay,
start
sir.
controlling. Hmm?
Okay, sir.
So thanks to everyone. So tomorrow morning actually we'll see you at 9:30 or 9:45. Okay. So thank you. Bye.
Okay, thank you, sir.